role of lighting has basically enhanced from functional to being interactive. Earlier, lighting was used to be seen or to see the road ahead to prevent accidents. However, these days, lighting can be used for V2X communication, like vehicle to pedestrian, and with others. It can also, show the charging status of an EV. We can use lighting for brand perception, individualization, and in case of ambient lighting, it is used for enhancing the user experience. So lighting is no more only a functional lighting to prevent accidents. It is rather more of a connectivity and user experience kind of function for brand enhancement, individualization, user experience, and V2X communication. So in case of, for example, V2X communication, enhanced digital intelligent lighting systems are being used, which integrate a number of actuators, sensors, algorithms, machine learning, and whatnot. So the role of automotive lighting has changed a lot. As of now, if you ask me about the adaptive driving beam ADB headlamps, these are sort of intelligent headlamps which integrate a range of sensors and actuators, electronic chips within it, and it basically can shadow the area if an oncoming vehicle or pedestrian is coming. In India, the market is still very niche for now, but we foresee an increasing uptake of such headlamps because I have spoken with many suppliers, tier ones within the industry, so they all have RSQs from the customers, and suppliers are now in the race to progressively increase the production of ADB headlamps in India for Indian domestic automakers, not only foreign automakers within India. For example, if you talk about even Korean automakers or Japanese, so all are in the race to offer ADB headlamps within Indian automotive market. Near field projection is basically a new topic within automotive lighting. What is near field projection? It is nowadays, in layman language, it is ground projection, or you must be saying increasing welcome or goodbye scenarios. Like if you go near your car and you just start your car with a keyless entry system, so there will be hello written on the ground near the gate, either the side light, signaling light, or the headlamps. So these kind of ground projection lighting, the market for such technologies is very niche, insignificant in India, but we expect to see an increasing penetration of such technologies maybe 5 years down the line. But market currently is very niche in India and only in premium vehicles as of now.